Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson. Another function I want to introduce you to is a function called the sum function. So the idea with this is actually pretty simple, exactly like the minimum and maximum, but this is another mathematical function. Essentially, instead of min or max in the same code, this is pretty much what we used in the previous video, you use sum. Now the idea with this is that this is going to add up all of the values in the list or certain values to each other. So again, it's a very useful thing if you want to keep your code clean, and let's say you want to add multiple values of a certain list, and normally what you would have to do is to just get each value of that list and then add them to each other. But this way you can simply just use the sum function to add all of them together. Now let's see what happens when we do this. Obviously this is our old code, and let's just leave it that way. But like, it's, for example, if I say 11 and 22, this should come out 33, right? So if I do that, there you go. So we're gonna get the number 33. So that's essentially the sum function. And again, I want to point this out, and I wanted to show you this to you guys, because if you see it, you know, somewhere, if you see it like something used like sum, just you can imagine that it is basically an addition function, and everything inside is basically added to each other. All right, so that's pretty much it. I just wanted to point this out because this is another one of those functions that I will be using in the next videos, so I just wanted you guys to be familiar with it. Let me know if you have any questions. If not, I'll see you in the next video.